Number 15 says the distance traveled by Earth in one orbit around the sun is about 580 million miles. The Earth makes one complete orbit around the sun in 1 year. Of the following, which is the closest to the average speed of Earth in miles per hour as it orbits the sun? Okay, so we know that the Earth makes one complete orbit around the sun in 1 year. Okay, and they want to know, of the following, which is the closest to the average speed? So we know that it's going to be the Earth makes one complete orbit around the sun in 1 year, and there's 365 days in 1 year, right? And then they want to know miles per hour that it's going. So what we want to do is multiply this number right here, which is the number of days in a year, and we want to figure out how many hours, okay? How many hours are in 1 year? And the reason why we want to find out how many hours are in 1 year is because in the answer choices, we need to find the speed in miles per hour, not miles per year. Okay, so how do you do this? 365 days, and in a conversion chart like this, you know, it's like multiplied. If you want to get rid of days, you put days down here, and our goal is to get hours. So how many hours is in 1 day? 24, right? And if you multiply 365 by 24, you're going to get 8,760 hours. Okay? And then it says, though, the beginning part starts out by saying that the distance traveled by the Earth in one orbit around the sun is 580 million. Okay? So that's how many miles one Earth orbit around the sun takes. It's going to be 580 million. If you divide this by the hours, it'll tell us the average speed as it orbits the sun. Okay, because it's going to take about this many hours, right? So it's going to be 8760 divided into that, and then you will get 66,000, which is your answer.